Take two, action! Welcome back to CountyLine TV. Glad you could join us today. We're working on the Corvette for the first time. It's been a while since we worked on the Corvette, yeah?
Yeah, first time's charm.
Yeah. Oh god, there's some problems with this thing, and there's just ever becoming more problems. So we're gonna take care of as many as we can. Not just today, but there's my audio. There's gonna be a slew of Corvette videos coming. This seat right here. It's an NRG, obviously you can probably see that, maybe not, I don't know. But it's going in here because this seat has a spike coming out of it that keeps cutting on my pants, and it's really sharp and it hurts and it sucks, and I don't know why it's there, but it keeps cutting on my pants and stuff, cutting into my leg. So we're gonna do away with that seat altogether, switch to the NRG. The NRG is thinner since it's not like reclining and everything, so it's probably gonna give me a better seating position anyway since I'm like almost 6'2". And what else? The dash has to come out because my heads-up display is really low. Common problem. Got to pull it out and put a pin in the hinge portion that holds the heads-up display up. And a couple more things. The steering column has to come apart because there was 2 recalls for the steering column lock would just stay locked or lock while you're driving or whatever, and it's just a big problem, and this car never had either recall, so I have to do it myself now because the recall's expired. And then I'm also waiting on a fiberglass kit because this guy right here needs some love, and then this guy right here needs some love, and obviously I already got the rear bumper if you watch that video. So this car is going to be coming together as a whole car pretty soon. The exhaust exits on both sides as you've seen, so we're going to redo the exhaust and stuff too. There's just a lot going on with the Corvette here in the next coming weeks or whatever, but this is a lot of talking for the beginning of the video. Let's get this seat ripped out. Alright, I'm not going to pretend that I've ever done this before because frankly I haven't. Okay, so what's it take to get this seat out? Looks like it takes bolts, wouldn't you know?
Actually, it takes sockets.
Oh. Two down, 2 to go. Will you stop recording on that?
One eternity later.
I don't know how long that took, but that took a long time. I finally just got the last bolt out. I had the 3 out before I stopped recording, and then how do you think that was? Probably 30 minutes?
20, 30 minutes.
Oh my god. For one nut. Jeez.
Been there before.
Now how do I get it out of here?
Don't you have the top?
That's a wise idea. Oh my god. Ugh. Not that I was doing this for weight savings, but that seat weighs a ton. Alright guys, real quick before we get to the next part of this project, I do just want to highlight how bad that is. Like, that thing was stabbing me so bad. There's another one right here too that's just barely poked through, but that one was so bad. It was like ripping my jeans and like stabbing me right in the every time. So I figure I don't think the seat's gonna be in the way if I put the new seat in for like any of the other things I have to do, like pull the dash and mess with the center console and everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and figure out the new seat situation. we got the bracket for the 350Z and the sliders off of the NRG seat. Now we got to go ahead and flip this situation over and get the bracket for the Corvette off of the sliders on that seat, and then see what we can't figure out on where it needs to be in the car. We just took the bracket off of that guy, and I took the bracket and just slid it over the studs in the car. So we're gonna sit this all the way back and scribe where it can be on the bracket. That way we know where to drill our holes. So that's where it's gonna have to sit. That's just you know, the way nature is with things that are skinnier than things that aren't. It doesn't fit. What do we do about that? It don't even, the cage is in the way. This ratchet cage, I will cut this bar out right now. I will cut it out. It's stupid anyway. That will not get you to pass tech anywhere that this will. So that is stupid. And it's probably gonna come out right now because it's in the way of my seat. Don't stop yet. Oh yeah, it literally won't even squeeze in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, stop recording. Okay. Cut! Okay, I just wanted to take a second here. I'm editing this video right now, so this is future James. I don't think I explained myself very well right there about that cage, like about that door bar. So I said that like it won't pass tech anywhere that the 4-point, or I tapped on the main hoop and said this part or whatever. So anywhere that I drift around here, when they have like a cage requirement, like it's either a 4-point cage requirement or a full cage requirement. So like anywhere that cage is going to get me in, I can get in with just the main hoop, the down tubes, the diagonal, and the harness bar. So I don't need those door bars for anything that I'm going to be doing. So, and the way that door bar was set up, every time I'd get in and out of the car, I would like basically have to put my entire weight on my thigh on that bar, and it's stupid. My thigh was bruised every time I drove that car. So whereas if it had like a full cage with say NASCAR bars or an X bar or something, I would be able to like stand next to the car, put my right foot in, then my left foot in, then sit on the cage, then sort of like grab onto the halo or the A-pillar bar and support myself with that and just swing into the seat, which takes far less time and it's just way better. So I do want to, probably this off season or something, finish out a full like 8-point cage with anti-intrusion and everything in that car. Not because I need it, just because it's literally just easier to get in and out of the car when I have like NASCAR bars. So that's my plan, and that's just a little bit better explanation of why I said what I said, because that bar being there was more of a hindrance than anything, and it wasn't going to get me in anywhere. So let's get right back to the video. Sorry. Before we start, I just want to say that I never thought in this lifetime that I'd be taking a Sawzall to a Corvette, but here we are. That being said, this door bar has been pissing me off since I bought this car. Let's just get it over with. Sawzall on the Corvette. I need a new blade. I will clean all this up with like a flap disc and stuff later, but for now, I just want to make sure the seat fits in there and get this thing the F out of my car. There's no real good way to go about this with the Sawzall, but I do want to take the biggest part of this out right now. So I'm actually going to leave a fair amount of it in there, but I'll just come back with the cutoff wheel and like chop it, the rest of it out, and then just get it close enough down that I can lay carpet over it and you can't notice it. But for the time being, let's just get the bigger part of this chopped out, I guess.
Eat it.
What a relief. I've wanted to do that for so long. I've had this car 7 months or something. I've wanted to do that since day one. Cut. We'll try to flop this bad boy in again. Ought to be hopefully in there now. Oh yeah, she fits. She kind of fits. It fits good enough. It'll go.
It fits, have sits.
Yeah. See how far back can we get? Back there. It like doesn't quite want to sit down in all the way for some reason. I'm not sure what the deal is here. There we go. Right there is kind of like where it's happy at. All the way up against that. Shoulder strap position's kind of. That's okay.
You can pop a squat.
Yeah, I just want to see. I mean, the door's gonna hit it, but oh well. Oh yeah, my butt cheeks aren't getting stabbed. And the door still shuts. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, this is so nice.
Definitely looks like a better fit.
Dude, genuinely, this is comfortable now. Oh my god. Dude, this is sick. I'm so happy. I'm so much like, my knees used to be like this in here.
Yeah.
Like bad. Now it's like, my feet are resting, like I'm resting on the gas and clutch right now. That's money. Oh my god, I could even, like, my knee is just barely bent with the clutch all the way on the floor. That is literally perfect. Holy crap. And then whenever I'm drifting, I'll probably honestly take the cushions out of the seat and get a hair lower. That way, like, my helmet's not up real high.
I'm willing to bet you'll still have decent clearance. Because, I mean...
I bet even with the top on right now, with the helmet on, I could probably fit. It'd just be kind of tight. But if I pull the cushions out, which having the cushions out doesn't bother me. I used to drift in a Kirky. So, this is money, dude. That's eBay and my email.
More parts.
Dude, this is money. I'm so happy about this. All right, let's scribe it out and drill some holes and make it permanent.
Good, your battery about dead.
Good. So I'm running out of time today. I'm gonna go ahead and close the video. Next video, you'll see us actually like mount that seat permanently, like drill holes in it. Probably have to add some metal to the bracket. It's gonna be a whole big thing. But yeah, that's gonna be it for now. Thanks for watching until the end. If you've made it this far, don't forget to click on this playlist over here or this video down here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, there will be a little thing right here. We'll catch you on the next time.
To your mother.
Tell your mother.